And the road project dominated a JLP meeting in St. Anne yesterday. West Portland MP Daryl Vaz says the PNP's criticisms are, quote, pure bad mind. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell reports.
Bad mind is a state of mind. Yes. Bad mind is something you're born. Yes. You know, take it up and put it down.
West Portland MP and Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Daryl Vaz, speaking Sunday at a Jamaica Labour Party Area Council 3 meeting in Brownstown, St. Anne. Mr. Vaz was addressing a group of party supporters about a $6 million project announced by his government last week to fix the Junction Main Road. Since the announcement, the opposition People's National Party has accused the government of trying to score political points in the upcoming by-election in St. Mary's Southeastern. But according to Mr. Vaz, the project is a plan the JLP administration announced 9 years ago.
What you see is a Labour Party that initiated the project in 2008. And because of the ineffectiveness of the PNP, we are the ones who are going to implement it now.
Mr. Vaz says people who are criticizing the government's plan are being less than honest. He says his critics have nothing but, quote, bad mind, end quote.
What you have is bad mind Peter Phillips, who concerned about it. I have a new name for Julian Robinson, Little Bad Mind. And then the PNP, what them youth organization, what them name? Patriots. You know what I call them? Baby bad mind.
The West Portland MP insists the over $6 million has nothing to do with the by-election.
They are so redundant that they are making people believe that they can spend $600 million worth of road in 1 month for a by-election. The project is 14 months, and out of the $600 million is only 167 that is budgeted for this financial year, and the rest to come after March next year.
The People's National Party has insisted that the road project was the brainchild of the late former MP Winston Green. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.